between lines just to find a reason to change. When I'm quiet, you don't assume. When I speak, you really hear. It's the way you give me room that keeps me right here. You don't pull, you don't chase, you don't love me in a race. You let things happen naturally, and that's the beauty I embrace. You're easy with me, no weight on my chest tonight. Easy with me, no need to get it all right. I don't have to prove my heart, I don't have to play a part. You're easy with me, and that's how love should be. I've known love that was demanding. Every step felt like a test, but you don't count my mistakes. You just hold me at my best. You don't need a perfect story, you don't force tomorrow's plans. You're content with what is now, with my truth right where I stand. You don't question every move, you don't ask me to improve. You see me as enough already, and that changes my whole view. You're easy with me, no weight on my chest tonight. Easy with me, no need to get it all right. I don't have to prove my heart, I don't have to play a part. You're easy with me, and that's how love should be. If love feels heavy, it's not love. That's fear wearing a name. But what we have feels simple, feels honest, feels sane. No pushing, no pulling apart, no pretending to be free. Just two hearts breathing easy, letting love be what it be. You're easy with me, like sunshine after rain. Easy with me, nothing here to explain. I don't have to guard my